equation of the normal to the curve y is equals to 1 plus x power 2y plus cos square sin inverse x at x is equal to 0 is. The options are y plus 4x is equals to 2, y is equal to 4x plus 2, x plus 4y is equals to 8 and 2y plus x is equal to 4. So here given curve is y is equals to 1 plus x power 2y plus cos square sin inverse x dx. Also given that x is equals to 0. Now we want to find the equation of normal. So x is equals to 0. Then what is y value? Y is equals to, when we take x is equals to 0 here, then 1 plus 0 power 2y, that is 1 power 2y means 1. 1 plus cos square 0, that is 1 plus 1 equals to 2. And here the given function is y is equals to, this is cos inverse square root of 1 minus x square. Cos of cos inverse. Cos and cos inverse gets cancelled. The remaining value root 1 minus x square whole square, which returns the value 1 minus x square. Now this is the given function. So first we find the slope value, that is by taking the differentiation. Now the derivative y dash is equals to 1 plus x power 2y, which is in the form of 1 plus f of x power g of x. And the formula for finding the derivative is equals to f of x power g of x into g dash of x into log of f of x plus f dash of x by f of x into g of x. Now this is the formula. Now applying the formula here, f is equals to 1 plus x and g is equals to 2y. Now applying the formula, we get f of x power g of x, that is 1 plus x power 2y into g dash of x 2y dash into log of f of x, log of 1 plus x plus f dash of x by f of x, f dash of x derivative 1 by 1 plus x into 2y plus 1 minus x square derivative minus 2x. Now we are taking the derivative value at x is equals to 0. So at x is equals to 0, then m is equals to value 1 plus 0, 1 power 2y, that is 1 into log of 1 plus 0, log 1. Log 1 is equals to 0. 0 plus 1 by 1 into 2 2s are 4. Y is equals to 2. Therefore slope value is equals to 4. Therefore equation of normal is y minus, the point is 0 comma 2 here. So y minus 2 is equals to minus 1 by 4 into x minus 0. Y minus y1 is equals to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. That is, the answer is 4y minus 8 is equals to minus 6. X plus 4y is equals to 8. That is the third option. Next problem, the area of an equilateral triangle inscribed in the parabola y square is equals to 80 with one of its vertices on the vertex of this parabola is. The options are 64 root 3, 256 root 3, 192 root 3 and 128 root 3. So here given one parabola y square is equals to 8x. This is the given parabola. Now one equilateral triangle is inscribed in the parabola like that. This is the equilateral triangle. Now already given that one of its vertices as the vertex of the parabola, that is 0 comma 0. So clearly from the given parabola we have that a is equals to 2. When we compare this equation y square is equals to 4x, then we get a is equals to 2. And already we know that any point on the parabola is taken as 80 square comma 280. But what is a value? A is equals to 2. That is, this is 2t square comma 40. These 2 points are taken as b comma c. From the vertex A we are drawing one median to its opposite side a to bc. Now this is a median as well as altitude. Since it is an equilateral triangle, median is equals to altitude. Both are same. That is, they are here the angle is equal to 90 degrees. And here already we know that this total angle is equal to 60 degrees since it is an equilateral triangle. So half of the value is equals to 30 degrees. And here this is 40. This is 2t square. So since here we have the 2t square comma 40 point. So take this point is equal to d here. Now what is tan 30 value? Tan 30 is equals to, so clearly from the diagram we have that tan 30 is equals to opposite by adjacent, that is 4t by 2t square, which means 1 by root 3 is equals to 2 by t. Then the value of t is equals to 2 root 3. We want to find the area of the triangle ABC. First we take the area of the triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD is equals to half into base into height. Half into 2t square into 4t, which is equals to 4t cube. But what is t value? T is equals to 2 root 3 is 4 into t is equal to 2 root 3. That is 4 into 2 root 3 whole cube. That is 8 into 3 root 3. Which means 30 to 96 root 3. Therefore area of triangle ABD is equals to 96 root 3. Therefore area of triangle ABC is equals to 2 into 96 root 3. That is 192 root 3. Which is the third option. Next problem, let the position vectors of the points A and B be I plus J plus K and 2I plus J plus 3K respectively. A point P divides an segment AB internally in the ratio lambda is to 1 where lambda greater than 0. And if O is the origin and an OP bar dot OP bar minus 3 into mod OA bar cross OP bar whole square is equals to 6, then what is the value of lambda? That's a given question. So here given that a comma, the position vectors of A comma B is equals to I plus J plus K and to I plus J plus 3K. That is, first we take that this is A bar and this is B bar. And also given that the point P divides the line segment AB in the ratio lambda is to 1. That is, we take the position vector of P as OP bar is equals to lambda B bar plus A bar by lambda plus 1. This is a formula. And also given that this is a given condition, OP dot OP minus 3 into modulus OA cross OP whole square is equal to 6. Now replacing the values, OP bar is equals to P bar and OP bar is equal to lambda P plus A by lambda plus 1. Now taking the simplification here, lambda into B bar dot B bar. B bar dot B bar is equal to mod B square. What is mod B value? Square root of 4 plus 1 plus 9, root 14. That is lambda into mod B square, root 14 whole square. That is 14 plus A dot B. What is A dot B value? 2 plus 1 plus 3, 6 by lambda plus 1. Minus 3 into, and this is A cross B, lambda into A cross B by lambda plus 1. A cross A becomes 0. So remaining value is only lambda by lambda plus 1. Taking the square to this term, lambda square by lambda plus 1 whole square into the remaining value is equals to mod A cross B whole square equals to 6. Since A cross A is equals to 0. And what is A cross B whole square value? The formula is mod A square mod B square minus A dot B whole square. This is the formula. Now replacing the values, mod A square, root 3 whole square, 3 into mod B square, root 14 whole square, 14 minus A dot B, 6 whole square. That, so this is 42 minus 36 is equals to 6. Now replacing that value here, 14 lambda plus 6 by lambda plus 1 minus 3 lambda square into the 6 by lambda plus 1 whole square equals to 6. Now 2 cancellation, 7, 3, 3, 3. Now taking LCM, 7 lambda plus 3 into lambda plus 1 minus 9 lambda square is equals to 3 into lambda plus 1 whole square. Now taking the expansions, now this is 7 lambda square plus 10 lambda plus 3 minus 9 lambda square is equals to 3 plus 3 lambda square plus 6 lambda. 7 lambda square minus 9 lambda square minus 2 lambda square, 3 lambda square plus 2 lambda square, that is 5 lambda square. Here 3 and 3 gets cancelled. 10 lambda minus 6 lambda equals to 4 lambda. Therefore the value of lambda is equals to 4 by 5 and this is equals to 0.8. That's all. Next problem, if phi is equal to sigma k is equal to 1 to 6 k into cos inverse, then dy by dx at x is equal to 0 is. So given that y is equals to sigma k is equal to 1 to 6 k cos inverse 3 by 5 into cos kx minus 4 by 5 into sin kx. So first we take this value 3 by 5 is equal to cos alpha and 4 by 5 equals to sin alpha. Then it returns the value cos alpha cos kx minus sin alpha sin kx, which is in the form of cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, that is cos of a plus b. Therefore the given problem is y is equals to sigma k is equals to 1 to 6 k into cos inverse of, this is cos of a plus b, that is cos of kx plus alpha, which is equals to sigma k is equals to 1 to 6 k into kx plus alpha, that is k square x plus k alpha. This is y value. Now dy by dx is equals to sigma k is equal to 1 to 6 k square into 1, x derivative 1 plus k alpha constant derivative 0. Now this is n into n plus 1 into sigma k is equal to 1 to 6 k square, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1, that is n into 6 into n plus 1, 7 into 2n plus 1, 13 by 6 equals to 91. That's all. Next problem, for a positive integer n, 1 plus 1 by x power n is expanded in the increasing powers of x. If 3 consecutive coefficients in this expansion are in the ratio 2 is to 5 is to 12, then the value of n is equals to. So given that the 3 consecutive terms are in this expansion are in the ratio 2 is to 5 is to 12. So first here we take the given expansion, which is 1 plus 1 by x power n is equals to sigma r is equal to 0 to n c r into 1 by x power r. This is the formula for the expansion. So given that 3 consecutive terms are in the ratio of 2:5:12. 3 consecutive quotients are taken as NCR minus 1, NCR, NCR plus 1. So given that NCR minus 1 is to NCR is to NCR plus 1 is equals to 2:5:12. That is NCR minus 1 by 2 is equals to NCR by 5 is equals to NCR plus 1 by 12. From these two terms we get the value NCR minus 1 by NCR is equals to 2 by 5. The formula is here R by N minus R plus 1 is equals to 2 by 5. Now taking the cross product we get 5R is equals to 2N minus 2R plus 2, that is 2N minus 7R plus 2 equals to 0. And equating these two values here, that is NCR plus 1 by NCR is equals to 12 by 5. By interchanging these two values, NCR plus 1 by NCR is equal to 12 by 5. Now what is the formula here? N minus R by R plus 1. N minus R by R plus 1 is equals to 12 by 5. Taking the cross product, 5N minus 5R is equals to 12R plus 12. That is 5N minus 17R minus 12 equal to 0. Now we are solving these two equations. Therefore the value of N by minus 7 into minus 12, 84 plus 34 equals to 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1 minus 34 plus 35. Therefore the value of N is equals to 180. That's all.